Hi, I've been developing for the City of Perth a GS application with Unreal Engine, and I was thinking over the Christmas vacation I will redo what I learned and re-put in practice and create my own environment. And I've been doing that with Cesium, so their contribution also to Cesium for the data. So what so far it is just a little application where you can see 3D tile, you can change the time of day, you can be also in a working mode or thing like that. You can do shadow studies, but you need to notice that Google Tile have their own shadow bag, and that's a moving shadow. So for instance here we can see the shadow moving and we can see the impact of the building with their shadow. The tool is working, so you can increment the minute and it will increase the hours. That doesn't do that with the days and months. I haven't bothered myself to develop that far. Also during the months you need to be careful. If you put a 31st day in a 31st day in a month that doesn't have 31st, it won't work. The lighting won't go be well. Anyway, so if you have your own Cesium icon, I created a taskbar where the user can put their own Cesium token, so they can use their own Cesium token and that should work. So I will disconnect mine on that. And then you have a geo-reference player, so you can put any longitude, latitude from Google Map. So what I've been doing is just you can go right click here, for instance, you copy the information and you just need to paste and it will automatically bring you over there. So I've been doing that so it's easier for the people to use it. And you can do that for any country, but just a reminder that for instance if we are going in France you need to change your time zone or the lighting won't work. So for instance let's go to Paris. With my French accent it's probably a good place to go. Well, let's go over here for instance. So I'm gonna copy this one. We're gonna go over here. On Paris being in the time zone 1 you need to update to time zone 1, and here you can see the Paris with the right time of day. And you can rechange the hour. So you notice it, we're in summer in Australia, but it's winter in Paris, so the lighting goes darker, which makes sense. So that's pretty much all. This is for the speed, so you can increase the speed of your movement of your actor, and you can move faster and go anywhere like this. And if you want to drop down, I would suggest you to quickly go closer to the floor. You don't want to wait for the simulation to wait for the person to navigate. So if I go 1, I go to the person over here. Let's close this one over here. We can interact over here. So the tile, we can move faster or longer. It also works with a mouse drag function. So I can do mouse drag like this. It needs to be a bit faster, like if I put 5. So you can use that as a Google also to work, or otherwise you can use the keyboard key. For the drone, if you click middle mouse, you can go up and down like this also. So that could be useful. And to pivot, you need to do hold right click, so like that you move. So it's toward your character. That's for dragging. Left click mouse, you can drag like this. You could also, I forgot to mention, you could go to the head of a personage if you wanted to have a first character look, or you can go zoom out. So that's all of the function I've been doing. I think for the next vacation I'm gonna develop a different blueprint, and one will be to be able to cut the 3D tile and adding a polygon to cut the 3D tile, so the user can add their own data, but it will take me a bit a while. Let me know what you think about it, and yes, that's pretty summarize what I've been doing and rememorize myself like how to redo blueprint and work my practice around it.